Hey everyone, long time no see. I know I've been not posting in a while, but today I am posting. We're going to be making slime. So, let's just open it. First off, you're going to need a bowl, which I need to grab. Be back. Okay, I got the bowl. I grabbed the bag, and let's get started. Okay, so first out, we have paint. We have a little cup, another little cup, and a mixture. Then we should have glue. We should have abstract. And yeah, we just have this. Okay. Step 1, you're going to need a mixture of warm water. Well, that is a little too much. And then you're going to need to measure 70 ml of glue, which is this kind of glue right here. And then slowly pour my water into the glue solution. So let's just go to the measuring and unscrew it. Yeah. So we gotta get 70. So we just copy it. Oh, well, barely are. It's barely coming out. Hold on, it's time for the big leagues. Screw this. Okay, there we go. We got 70 ml of glue. Then use my mixing sticks to move it. So you have to put a little water. I kind of spilled. Let me just clean it up. Okay, I cleaned it up, so now we just mix this. Satisfying, I mean, really. It's after kind of getting a little sticky. Did I pour too much water? Because I kind of really did spill. Okay, next we're going to put activator. Hold on. We're not going to put it too much because then it's going to be really gloppy. But then it'll be really sticky if we put a lot. Hold on, it's not working. Let's try not to put too much. You just opened it. Okay, there we go. And now, since we poured the activator in, we have to mix it again. Ooh, oh my god, it's getting really slimy, bro. The activator's working. Look how slimy that is. I don't know if you can see so. Look how slimy that is. Just have to keep on mixing it till it becomes real slime. Hold on. Okay. Keep mixing. Ooh, that's really sticky. Hold on. I'm going to stick my finger in. See how slimy that is. Oh, it's really slimy. Hold on. We have to add color dye. Okay, which should I add in it? I'm thinking about maybe some red because of Valentine's Day. Hold on, I'm trying to open it. I got a little bit on my hands, but it got red open. That should be about enough dye. And I just got the paint off me. Well, at least a little bit. See? Still have a little bit on me. So now we mix. Oh, that's looking pretty. Oh, look at that. Whoa. I just spilled some slide. I'll be right back. I know some of you guys are wondering where's my camera girl, but like right now she was like on a break. Same with my cameraman. So like I had to do this video alone, and I am filming it by myself. So there's not gonna be a lot of good editing, but still good. By the way, I'm not editing my slime on the thing. I was just showing you how cool that looks. I'm just gonna, like editing as like I'm filming on my phone, not the actual camera. Are you okay, Ollie? That's my dog, Ollie. This is Ollie. He's a little good boy. Done.